start.
Michael.
And what a better place to talk about the visionary stance here amongst all these peaks. I'm Mike and Libra. Yes, Agile Coaching is going to the Martians. 2 videos I promise to treat. The 9 stances if you want your transformation, digital AI transformation to work. You need to adopt different stances to get more productivity, better efficiency. If you look at the last video, link down below, I did talk about the hands-on expert stance, which is focused on a lot of results, very little growth. Opposite on that diagram, you have the visionary. Other place you'll find in a different name, and that's focused on growth. Very not focused on results so much, but growth. And sometimes in your organization, you need to be the hands-on expert in a crisis. And sometimes you want to be the visionary to make productivity gains, efficiency gains by focusing on growth, getting folks, getting your organization, your business to focus on how do I get the trajectory for 5 years from now. That's the growth mindset in these stances. And what better place to talk about it than here among all the priests, among all these peaks. Now, I am looking for some feedback from you. If you reached all the way here, please add your comments down below. How can you be a visionary for your organization? How can you contribute to growth? And I'll focus on your results. Think about that. I'm inviting you to add the comments down below. I'm making a coaching was going to the Martians. Thank you.